Hi Aquarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a general reading, guys. So take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't, because energies are fluid. You've got the Justice card. This is an amazing card because finally you will receive the peace, the justice, the commitment that you were looking for. It's a very positive card in all aspects of your life. If you're particularly dealing with a legal issue, then that'll be sorted out in your favor as well. So it's just a beautiful card because, it's like the answer yes card. This card is saying yes to everything. Whatever you have in your mind, whatever questions you have, the answer is yes. Now, if it was a negative question and if the answer is yes, you need to be careful, guys. But it is a very positive energy, so I don't think it's going to be a negative answer. This is the Nine of Cups, which is another very positive card. So all in all, I'm guessing that number 11 and 9 are very, very important for you. 911 is an angel number. With the Nine of Cups over here, I see that it'll set you free, whatever is happening in your life. And when you do receive a news or a letter or something like that, it's going to, some kind of communication is going to set you free. It's going to set you free from any kind of burden that you had, any kind of legal issues that you were dealing with, even health for that matter. It'll be sorted out. You've got the Temperance card. A Sagittarius person could be important for some of you guys, but this brings balance. This news brings balance, spiritual awakening. It gives you a reason to feel happy. As it is, you have so many reasons because you've got the Nine of Cups over here. I just feel that you are on the right track. All you need to do is have faith, keep going, and just know that if you do good, only good comes to you. And if something bad comes to you, it is because your karma was such and you had to go through it so that better things could come to you. Let's see some more messages for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. You've got the Empress card. Wow. Taking leadership, if you guys are planning on having a baby, extending your family, this is the right time. Some of you could receive news that you are pregnant, and that'll set you free. It'll make you feel as if you're on cloud nine. Okay. You've got the Five of Cups. Guys, refrain from any kind of regret because whatever had to happen has happened. Whatever things that were not working out in the past and you felt as if life had taken a toll on you, or you felt as if things weren't working out in your favor. Guys, those energies are over. Don't worry about it. Pay attention to the good things that are there in your life, because when you focus on what is good in your life, the universe sees, oh, okay, so she or he wants this kind of energy. All right, so then the universe multiplies it into 100 and more good things come in your life. You've got the Page of Cups. Some of you could be getting some proposal, and this could be a love card because, yeah, as I mentioned, some kind of communication, some kind of news, something that is going to set you free, something that is going to make you feel alive. And love always makes one feel alive. So yeah, some of you could be tying the knot with someone who you've already met. But whatever it is, it's going to be a really powerful union. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be important. An Aries person could be important to you. I'm also seeing Capricorn. You've got the Judgment card. These are Capricorn energies, great cards. This is the final conclusion. This is something that you needed because things weren't moving as per your expectation. This is the closure that you get when you are on the right side and someone does you wrong. the High Priestess, some of you could be, some of you could be getting a scholarship, some of you could be going in for higher education, some of you could be taking a master class for your skills, and all that is going to pay off, all that is going to make you feel really amazing. So the news or the communication that I was talking about could be your acceptance admission letter to a university, college, or an institution. You've got the Knight of Wands. Somebody wants to talk to you, somebody who has a passionate offer for you, somebody who was a part of your life, but because of their actions, things ended and you guys reached here and there was a separation. But this person wants to come back and convey something that is going to change everything. It's going to make you feel really nice. So with the Judgment card over here, I feel that you are receiving a beautiful closure over here. So let's see some extra messages for you. These are oracle messages, guys. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. You've got the Romance card. A lot of romantic energies, a lot of strong tying the knot energies. You guys are going to get married. You guys are going to be going on a honeymoon. Some of you are going to be so in love that you'll become mothers and fathers. Okay, you've got the big picture thinking. You are going to be inspired by a lot of ideas. You're going to be inspired by a lot of love. You're going to be inspired by, you'll step back and you'll know that, okay, so this is how things had to happen. That is why it was so troublesome. But now everything is put right. You could hear bells because there's a priest outside who is ringing it. So, sorry. You've got the Star Mother. How can you mother yourself? Guys, when you take care of yourself, when you show the universe that, look, this is how I want to be taken care of, the universe sends you people who will take care of you better than you can. So show the universe everything that you want. And, if you want love, be more loving to people. If you want money, be generous, be helpful. Don't let that thought come into your head when you want to buy something. I know going on a splurge when you are short on cash is not a wise idea. But if you want to buy something, just tell yourself, I can afford it. I can afford it. Say it with conviction, guys. Believe in it. Believe that things can be good for you. I am a law of attraction coach, and so many times I have to tell people, just ask them, do you even believe that good things are possible for you? Because if there is no belief, things won't happen. You've got the communication is key. Yes, some kind of big communication coming your way. Some communication is going to be so helpful that it's going to change your life. You've got Gemini over here. Gemini could be an important sign. Conclusions are within reach. Yes, you've got the Judgment card as well. So communication, conclusion, a time for healing. Yes. Take time out to heal. If you are hurting, you need to heal first, because otherwise you're going to bleed onto other people who didn't even hurt you. Your hard work is paying off. A Capricorn person could be important to you, Aquarius. Look at the big picture thinking. Sagittarius person could be important to you. Wow. Amazing messages. Your affirmation says, I don't have to fear my fear. I can use it as a way to get closer to love. I don't have to fear my fear. I can use it as a way to get closer to love. Aquarius, thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. I'll see you next time. Till then, Keep shining, keep smiling, keep manifesting. Bye.